Okay, so we've done basic editing, how to lay on effects, how to adjust your audio, video and audio transitions, as well as using keyframes, and we've added titles and a credit roll. So the last thing now we're completely done, is to export it. Okay, so in order to do that, File, down to Export, and go to Media. Okay. Just gave me some random option there for something. Never mind. Okay, and this is what appears. Now, you have to make sure that your workspace, okay, the grey bar, covers your entire project on the timeline. Okay, I've said it before, just reiterating it now. Make sure it covers everything, otherwise it won't be exported properly. Okay, now I want to click on Output. Okay, this makes this box here show what we're actually going to end up with once we've exported it. And I want to put my cursor in the middle of this yellow line so we can see what it's going to look like. So at the minute we've got these black bars at the top. We don't want that. Okay, so what we want to do is don't click Match Sequence Settings, keep it on QuickTime, but go to PAL DV Widescreen. Okay, now we get these black bars at the edges. Don't worry about that. Okay, it's just the way that we are rendering it out. Okay, we're not going to render it out in HD. We're not rendering it out in a massive file format. It's just so it can be watched. Okay, if you want to keep a higher quality copy for yourself, you can render it, export another copy out that way, but it's completely up to you. What you need for your work is this setting, PAL DV Widescreen, and that will do. Okay, make sure export video and make sure export audio are ticked so it does both. On filters, you don't need any. On video, make sure it's DV25 PAL. Okay, scroll down, and it's D1/DV PAL widescreen in the aspect, not this one here. Okay, this one. Okay, that's fine. Okay, on audio, you can leave it on uncompressed, or you can put AAC. Okay, AAC just makes it a little bit smaller file size, but you can leave it as uncompressed, that's fine. You can use maximum render quality, it just helps it render it a bit better. Okay, but it will take longer and it will be a bigger file. Okay, I'm going to ignore that for now, I don't need it to be like that, but you can if you like. Okay, ignore the FTP tab, you don't need to mess with that. Okay, and once that's done, you can go up to output name here, and where this yellow link is here, click on that. Okay, I'm going to save it to the desktop. Alright, so I'm going to call this Premiere Tutorial. Okay, now what you should name yours as is your name, or names, name of your project, and then the name of your tutor, just so we know where it is and whose it is, and so on and so forth. It just makes it a hell of a lot easier for us to know what we're doing with that particular piece of footage or completed work. Okay, save that. So that is now given a name. Once that's all done, click Export, and a progress bar will appear. Okay, this is only very short, so it's not going to take very long. Okay, and that's it, it's done. Okay, I'm just going to save it. Quick save on anything is Command S. Okay, quit that. There it is. Okay, it's there, it's done, and that's Premiere Pro basics sorted. If you want to know more, you need to go on and play with it. The best way to learn, like I've said for Final Cut, is to actually play with it. Okay, go on, experiment, try lots of different things, take out a camera from the stores, go and shoot some random footage, put it into the editor, and just play. Okay, it's the best way to learn. It's the way I learned, it's the way lots of editors learn. Most editors learn that way. Just go do it. If you're interested in being an editor, or you want to have editing as a skill, it's up to you to hone that skill. Okay.